Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to redeem a Steam gift card on your Windows or macOS device. Redeeming a Steam gift card is a simple process that lets you add funds to your Steam wallet for purchasing games, downloadable content, or other items on the Steam platform. That's it, let's get started. So first up, you have to launch the Steam client on your Mac or PC. And then you have to log in using your Steam credentials. And in the Steam client, click on your username in the top right corner and then select account details in the drop down menu. And on the account page, find and click the option that says add funds to your Steam wallet. After that, select redeem a gift card or wallet code option. With just a few simple steps, you can add funds to your Steam wallet and explore an endless variety of games and content. Whether you are buying a blockbuster title or discovering an indie game, Steam wallet funds make gaming more accessible and enjoyable. Happy gaming, and I'll catch you up in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.